While many high school graduates attend college, working toward a bachelor's degree may not be the right path for everyone. A career in trade can be just as satisfying, not to mention good paying. Keep watching for more. Vocational Schools Explained. Vocational schools are also called trade schools for technical colleges. These schools are designed to provide practical, hands-on training in a specific industry or trade. Some schools and/or programs have academic requirements too, but basically you're often learning by doing rather than only reading textbooks. You are generally not required to take unrelated courses, which you may need to earn an associate's or bachelor's degree. Time and cost. A trade school program can be completed in much less time. Whereas earning a bachelor's degree takes 4 or more years, vocational programs can typically be as short as 40 weeks, with the most extended certificate taking nearly 1 year to complete. Attending a vocational school can cost about $33,000. Shorter programs can be significantly less. While these figures might seem high, compare that to college tuition. Private university tuition can sometimes be as much as $37,640 for just 1 year. In-state public school tuition can be over $10,000 a year. So in the end, a vocational school can be a good option for people who want to learn a skill for less and start making a living faster. You'll want to narrow down your choices to pick a school. Electrician. In California, electrician training schools must be approved by the State Department of Industrial Relations, DIR, for students to sit for the journeyman examination after completion of the approved school. Since the state must approve the programs, only attend approved programs that will allow you to work in the field. California approved schools will provide students with the electrical trainee card upon graduation, which allows graduates to work under the license of a state approved electrician. HVAC technician. Learn to apply your technical knowledge and skills to repair, install, service, and maintain the operating condition of the heating, air conditioning, and refrigeration systems. The program usually includes troubleshooting related to heating, air conditioning, and refrigeration systems. Education required. First, you'll need at least a high school diploma or a GED, General Educational Development Test. If you didn't graduate from high school and don't yet have a GED, some schools offer programs that will help you prepare for that test or partner with accredited high schools to help you obtain your high school diploma while attending college. You should find out which programs you can attend without a high school diploma or GED. Next, you'll need to find a trade school with the program you want. You can find in-person and online programs and schools that offer hybrid programs where you get the best of both worlds. Vocational schools offer a way to learn a trade and get prepared for a successful career transfer. Vocational schools offer a way to learn a trade and get prepared for a successful career faster. If you would like information on our degree programs, certificate programs, or online courses, contact us today. We're here to help you reach your educational goals. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.